back to another video. You currently join me near Maybury Road on the bridge where I'm about to meet Michael, Owen and Andy as we're going to be going plane spotting at Edinburgh Airport. Yay! So we're just going to get the 100, 200 or the bright bus from there. I'm only just walking up here to see if I can see them. Ah! There they are! Perfect timing as usual. Hey guys! Great, riddance. Now let's go get our bus. Alright, plastic by there's a flex bus on route 090 from Edinburgh to Glasgow. That was bus 0562. There it goes away into the distance. Okay guys, we're now passing B&M, which is now right next to the railway, which is pretty cool from Edinburgh Gateway. But anyways, we're just walking down to Maybury Road bus stop and getting the bus to the airport hotels, and then it's a 5 to 10 minute walk to the plane spotting place where we'll show you. This is Owen's idea, by the way, of going plane spotting, so give him a big huge thank you at the end of the video and put it in the comments down below also. But anyways, just enjoy this little short clip without me speaking until we get to the plane spotting, but enjoy! Oh, have we got another Gemini 2 that's broken down as usual? The driver might go to the toilet because I can just see both indicators on. The engine's off and it's working the 31 to East Creeks, I think. We've also got bus 8483, which is on the Airport Express going to the city centre. Where that bus, it says not in service now, so it might be terminating at Maybury, or else it's just the driver's going to the toilet. I can see everybody getting off, so it might be the terminus or it might be the bus that's broken down. Not sure yet. But anyways, I'm sorry for talking. Now let me start not talking. There's another Gemini 2 going on the 31 to East Creeks. I'm sorry for talking, but I have no choice. It's bus 375. We've also got 366, which is not in service. We never ever see two Gemini 2s like this. That's cool. But anyways, let me start not talking. Yeah, this bus does. You know the ports that the movie have? Thank you. Stupid car! The current time is 14:21. A Qatar Air 350-900 just departed out for Doha. Got a Airparks bus. As you can see, it's just parked there. But I think it's the E200 MMCs, not these buses in the right streetlights anymore. That's an Optair bus. Tell me what Optair bus this is in the description. I meant the comments section, guys. Anyways, we are here, so we just go over to this fence and then we're there. Alright guys, an EasyJet A319 or A320's arrived. Don't know where it's from, but I'll put all the flights in the description down below because I don't know the actual time of when all of them arrive. But there it is anyway. Excellent shot of that plane. Absolutely excellent. Alright guys, we've got another EasyJet taking off. Beautiful! Let me just say shoo to the birds so they can go away. Shoo! Excellent, that worked. So good at this. Shoo! That's some of them flying away. Shoo! Some of them don't even listen to me when I say shoo. Shoo! That worked this time. But anyways, we're now at the fence. So let's do a bit of about half an hour to 45 minutes of plane spotting. Enjoy! Alright guys, we're now at the fence. As you can see, I can just peek through, then I can zoom in when aircrafts are landing or taking off. Michael and Andy are just over there, and then Owen's away to the side. As you can see, they're just coming over just now because they're slow. And I think we're going to see a lot of EasyJets today because this is just, Edinburgh Airport's one of EasyJet's terminus. Most EasyJet planes terminate here quite a lot, about 500 a day probably. And it's also Ryanair's terminus because Ryanair come a lot, but not as much as EasyJet. So it's EasyJet and Ryanair's home Edinburgh Airport because they serve them so much. Shoo! Perfecto! Looks like they're doing a runway check over there. We can see a 11158 over there, which is probably running from Edinburgh Waverley to Cowdenbeath. I'll put the numbers in the description down below as well. Alright, there's a Ryanair plane taking off. I think it's a Boeing 737. Either if it's an 800 or a Max 8. But I have no idea. I'll just put it in the description down below. But the current time is now 14:33. Amazing takeoff. Alright, landing in now. We've got our Air Lingus ATR 72, which is landing in from Dublin. In Ireland. It's not a private one, it's Air Lingus from Dublin, Michael. Michael knows nothing about airlines. Yep, it did.
That's a three-leaf clover on the back way. Air Lingus, the A9. Oh wait, is this a wee
At least Andy gets to pet another dog. No chocolate dog, no fudgies.
No, you can't.
I think the dog wants to say hello to Owen and Andy. Because Andy loves dogs, like I said on the 29th of March.
Somebody speaking to her. She's 2 years old. We're still working with her. But she will be assessed.
Lola the dog! Lola the dog! And there goes Lola away into the distance.
Drones are not allowed.
What's happened?
I don't know. Maybe it's just. Oh, that's a clear drone. Clear drones are
That
all
must be
allowed.
the airport putting that up.
They've never never seen a drone before. Alright, next up to depart, we've got the Loganair, Embraer, G I think 145 on a service to Southampton. Yeah, it's going to Southampton Airport with Southampton Airport Parkway, which serves South Western Railway.
Loganair, that'll be going up to maybe Stornoway.
No, it's going to Southampton, I think.
Loganair to Southampton.
I think it's going to Southampton or Stornoway, one of the two. There it goes.
ZY1232 for EasyJet up to Basel. Back in.
You be careful. Hold on to that post.
Yeah, I'm a hardcore pro.
That's it.
Next up, we've got an EasyJet plane, which is taking off on the runway. I have no idea where it's going to, and I don't know if it's an Airbus A319 or an Airbus A320. I have no idea. And there it goes, with its wheels just going up there. Next up is going to be a British Airways Airbus A320 with 200, which is taking off for London Heathrow Airport, one of the busiest airports in the world.
Yep, just what he said, it's going up to Heathrow.
That's right, Owen. It's going to Heathrow. That was an early takeoff. And that plane departed, that British Airways plane departed at 14:45. Alright, about to take off is a Ryanair Boeing 737, which is going to be heading to Porto, I think. Porto. I think it's going there.
Porto, yes.
And I think it might be a Boeing 737 MAX 8, I'm not sure. But that's what I really think it is. But if it's a Boeing 737-800, I'll be mad. At myself. Why is there no arrival yet? It's all just been departures. Alright guys, we've got a plane landing. I think.
No, it's a Loganair.
Jet 2 is coming from Rome. It's a Boeing 737-800. It's a Boeing 737-800 from Rome. Here it comes passing us! It's coming from Rome, Andy! Alright guys, we have got a plane arriving in. What is actually the company of that? I have no idea. It's Brussels Airlines Airbus A320-200 landing from Brussels. Yep. Alright, departing out now. We've got an EasyJet plane.
I've got me trampoline.
I know you have, Owen, but I am busy filming this EasyJet leave. Yep.
Yeah, I'm just bouncing on this.
Just took it off. Cool! And there's the plane close up.
Yeah, that's Brussels.
In a special livery.
Yeah.
Since that plane has landed, we are just about to leave here and make our way back over to the bus stop. The current time is 15:07. We've got a Loganair departing out. Another Embraer 145. As you can see, it's landing, not taking off. I thought it was taking off, but it's actually landing, that Loganair plane. That'll probably be the last plane that we see in this video, maybe. Or we might see some planes up there, yeah. We'll probably see some planes up there. Alright guys, we've got a British Airways plane taking off. I have no idea where it's going, but there it goes. And I think it's an Airbus A390, A320 or A321. It's one of those.
Yeah, this is actually really cool.
Yeah. British Airways.
Look, here it comes.
Man, that's landing, silly Owen.
I know.
You said it was taking off.
No, I said British Airways.
Okay, but I thought it was taking off.
Do you want to make her cross through the bus though? Oh wait, can I have a look at the bus?
Be careful! Or else your Andy will shout at you. And also Michael too. And me. Enjoy this montage until we get off the bus. I wish this bus could take us to Ingleson Park and Ride or the airport. It's really useful for the airport plane spotting bit. Oh dear! How are we going to get across this one? I know there's a truck one. Nice wave and tone! Let's just see if we can get across here safely. I know this is a wee bit risky, but this is the only way that we can do. It's the safest. And now we're back on the pavement safely. Right, I said I wasn't going to talk and I talked. Let me not talk now. I'll be talking a little bit.
Oh, there's an Airbus. We're almost there.
And 1133. Got it.
Yeah, this time we got in front. Look, there's another 200. Do this. Kick our feet back onto the chair. Oh, this is nicer. And there's a guy getting off. Sailing. Oh, look, there it is. What's up here in the tunnel? Bus lane. Yeah, it's this one here.
Thank you, have a great day.
Look, there's a...
Alright guys, it's time to end the video there. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye guys.